Hey everyone, so for my project I drove about 3.5 hours south to my hometown of Lyons, Georgia, so that I could visit the spot that is known to my hometown and surrounding areas as Three Rivers. So to begin with, we're going to talk about the Altamaha River, which originates at the confluence of the South River, Yellow River, and Alcovey River at Lake Jackson along the Butts and Jasper County border. From Lake Jackson, the Altamaha River flows southward, then eastward for approximately 255 miles along the Montgomery, Jeff Davis, and Wheeler County borders. And the Oconee River, which originates with two major headwaters in Hall County, the North and Middle Forks. The two forks converge in Clark County to form the Oconee River proper. It flows southward for approximately 170 miles. At the border of Montgomery, Jeff Davis, and Wheeler counties, the confluence of the Oconee River and Altamaha River form Georgia's largest river, the Altamaha River. The Altamaha River then flows eastward into the Atlantic Ocean. Here in my video, you can see where the three rivers meet, actually. So that's what is known as Three Rivers. And to the left is the Altamaha River, and to the right is the Oconee River. The Altamaha River originates at the confluence of the Altamaha and Oconee River, at the three-way county boundary between Montgomery, Jeff Davis, and Wheeler counties. The Altamaha then flows eastward and a little southward unhampered by dams for 137 miles to empty into the Atlantic Ocean near Darien, Georgia. Its largest tributary is the Ohoopee River, which joins the Altamaha on the southern border of Tattnall County. The Altamaha River watershed forms the largest freshwater river system east of the Mississippi River. The Altamaha River is Georgia's largest, though not longest, river, encompassing 1.2 million acres and spanning 10 rural South Georgia counties. The Altamaha River watershed is one of the three largest river basins on the Atlantic seaboard, draining approximately 1/4 the state of Georgia, expelling 100,000 gallons of fresh water into the Atlantic Ocean every second. The river and its floodplain swamps and marshes are among the most undisturbed habitats in the state, although increasing population in the coastal plain and pressure from development are threatening their pristine nature. The integrity of the lower river's ecosystem can be credited in part to the absence of dams. The banks of the river, as it courses through the coastal plain, are so low-lying and broad that the river is relatively inaccessible to humans. Along its course, the Altamaha supports the largest concentration of rare species of any river in the state. Due to the fact that it is undammed and free-flowing, it creates a relatively intact and healthy ecosystem. The Altamaha River supports 11 at-risk pearly mussel species, 7 of which are found nowhere else in the world. More than 120 species of rare or endangered plants and animals are found in the Altamaha. Some of these include Atlantic and short-nosed sturgeons, Georgia spiny mussel, gopher tortoise, piping plover, red cockaded woodpecker, swallow-tailed kite, West Indian manatee, and the eastern indigo snake. Today, pairs of swallow-tailed kites are rare but can still be seen gliding over the trees along the lower Altamaha River. The deep and heavily forested riparian buffers that have returned to the Altamaha provide just the right breeding habitat for this beautiful bird and are a mecca for bird watchers. Among the high diversity of freshwater fish native to the Altamaha, one of the most notable is the short-nosed sturgeon. The lack of dams on the Altamaha River may have kept this river's sturgeon population healthier than those of other Georgia rivers. Travelers along the Altamaha River can still see a variety of trees and bushes, including wax myrtle, sweet bay magnolia, spice bush, red bay, alder buckthorn, Chickasaw plum, and cherry laurel. The Altamaha River flows through the legendary longleaf pine system of the southeast coastal plain. This mighty waterway is vital to the health of the Georgia coast. The Altamaha carries nutrients to the plants and animals that live in the estuary where the river meets the ocean. This estuary, where the freshwater from the river mixes with saltwater from the Atlantic, occupies an area of roughly 26 square miles in Glenn and McIntosh counties in southeastern Georgia. and is arguably the largest intact, relatively undegraded estuary system on the Atlantic coast. The protected forests that surround the river cleans harmful chemicals from the water and ensures that just the right amount of water at the right time is flowing into the ocean. So I hope you enjoyed that little bit of information about the Altamaha River, and I hope you enjoyed my video. So thanks for watching.